Hi everyone, today I'm here with the Uppababy Vista. I already got the back wheels on, I unboxed it. My other phone ran out of storage, so like I said, you guys can find the unboxing from Magic Beans. Today I'm just about to put the front wheels on. I'm super excited. You get 3 boxes. 2 of them contain wheels and another one contains a couple other things for the Vista. So today I'm about to put on the front wheels. And here is, you also get a rain guard. And you get the wheels. You get 2 front wheels actually. My bad. These are light. I'm so glad I got this one. I'm so glad I got Taylor. And like I said, it has more tread on it and it's polyurethane, so they do tend to actually last a lot longer. So I have the frame right here, and you will take this part and just snap it in. It's that easy. Let's do the other one. That was easy. So here is the frame. I'm really excited to start using it because it's actually my favorite color. I do have the Taylor car seat, which actually is kind of funny because I have the whole system. And also in the black bag, you get your toddler seat. And I will be putting together the toddler seat for you guys. Let's see what's in this box. There we go. Ooh. Okay, so it looks like you get a net guard or the bug shield or bug net, whatever you guys like to call it, for the bassinet. You get one for the toddler seat, and then the instruction and the warranty card. This is really pretty. Where'd my knife go? Kind of need that. Okay guys, I just misplaced my, there it is. So this is what it looks like. You get a little pop-out sun visor thing. This is the Taylor. This is the one I've always wanted, and I've been keeping my eye on it. And they don't have them anymore. Uppababy stopped making them. So you are really lucky to have the discontinued colors that I'm about to name. Taylor, Pascal, Samantha, Loic, and there was one other and I can't think of it. But Jake is very common, so this is the Taylor. You can squeeze that with one hand, which actually makes it super easy. A magnetic mesh for the baby. And then let's see how the bassinet looks. This stuff for I don't know how long. Eyeball. So we actually have the money to get it, you know? Ooh, this is actually really freaking. Okay, so. Oh, it's so cute. This is the Taylor. Finally got it. I just finally told Mom. And there's the bassinet. Oh my god, it's actually cool. I actually second guessed myself on this. So, and you just take the mattress out. The mattress is about 2.5 inches bigger than the 2015. I'm probably not going to be using the bassinet as much, but that's what it looks like. Super easy to button on top, push it, and it releases. Super easy. Snap it in, and then you see the little green button right there. I do have two bassinets that I do want to show you. And it's the same color. I got it the same day I purchased my Vista. And then also in here, you also get the bassinet instructions. Oh, good, it's the same color. Awesome. So basically what I said, it's actually the same color and the same style. So if you have twins, keep watching, because I am going to use my upper and lower adapters to show you guys. Also on the bottom of the bassinet, there's this little area right here to where my glasses are falling off my face. I need to get them tightened. Shirt. Then get another rain guard or bug shield. And like I said, you can use a 2015 bassinet. I chose Taylor because I got the blue and I really love it, and I hope my twins love it. They are still in infant car seats. So, and then like if you have a different color bassinet, you can also use that. This one is the Samantha, which is for sale, and it just snaps right on. And it's super cute. It's for a girl, but I'm not going to use it as much. So I'm going to go grab my adapters and show you guys how to make it a double with two bassinets, but I'll show you. Sorry about that, everyone. I had to run to my car and grab my box of adapters. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when you have the toddler seat and rumble seat together. So you do need these things called upper adapters. You also need rumble seat adapters. My glasses are falling off my face. You cannot put these on. Oh! There we go. Oh. Okay, so I got my rumble seat adapters on. So here's the rumble seat. I got Taylor because I love the color. Sorry, it's a mess, everybody. I gotta clean up too. And then here's the toddler seat. So you can have it as a double. You can also have it like this. This is for if you have 2 or more kids, keep watching. If you have a single, I will go over that in a minute. So you can have them, you can have one facing you can have one facing away. You can have them both facing you. Trying to make it good for you guys to see. Ah, there goes everything falling. And then you can have 2 bassinets, and then I'll show you with the car seat. So this is the Taylor car seat. You can have, I'm probably mostly going to be using it like this with my daughter and my son. So I'm basically probably just going to be using it with the car seat and rumble seat. But I don't know if the car seat can face out. Let's see. I guess it could if you wanted it to, but you know your baby probably really wants to, you know, see mommy or daddy or whoever's pushing the stroller. Super easy just to handle. I love the canopy of how much shade the baby gets. It's super easy. Just lift it off. And then you can have a rumble seat. And a bassinet. And the bassinet is 2.5 times, or not 2.5 times, 2.5 inches bigger than the 2015. The 2015 I think is, I'm not sure how many inches, but you can also, I think, have your rumble seat, you know, face forward, but I've never tried it. So let's do an off-brand car seat. Let's do a Chico. So for the Chico, you will need the Chico Uppababy Vista adapter. And you can use any Chico car seat. I have the Chico Fit 2, and it just snaps right in. So it's basically, you can do so many configurations. You can have 2 Chico car seats, you can have a toddler seat and a rumble seat, you can have 2 bassinets, 2 car seats, 2 off-brand car seats. Like I have here, I have the Chico Fit 2. So since I have the Chico Fit too, it makes it a lot easier to get my daughter in and out of the car when I have this. It's been helpful to have this adapter. So, I mean, having the car seat adapter for the Vista has been very helpful, and the frame is super smooth. I love how you can adjust the handlebar all the way up, but it's been super helpful, you know. With the Chico, you do have to press down and release with the back right here. And then you can do the toddler seat, which I have right here. I'm probably not going to use it like this because the toddler's feet are actually in the baby's face. So you would have to put your 6-month-old or 9-month-old or whatever month-old you guys have forward facing for now. Now if you have a car seat, that's completely different. I'm probably going to be using it this way a lot more with the toddler seat on top. Now, if you have the piggyback board, you do have to take the toddler seat off. That's the blue. And take the adapters off as well. And put the toddler seat here so they're down farther. And then the person on the piggyback has a lot more room to skateboard or ride along. That is my review of the 2018 Uppababy Vista, and I will show you how it folds. What you do is pull this back. Let's see. I mean, you could fold it, I think, with 2 seats. Let's see. Not really. Maybe you can. I just haven't tried it yet. There we go. So let's try that. Okay, I guess you could do 2 seats, but it is pretty bulky. Now just slide the toddler seat off, like I said, or if you wanted to open it, grab the handlebar, grab the frame, and snap it up. I mean, it's that simple. I mean, it's super easy. And your toddler also could, you know, face you while you have the rumble seat in too. This is probably the way I'm probably gonna be using it most of the time, is just like this. You also can use the upper and lower adapters to attach 2 bassinets, or, you know, an off-brand car seat. Now to fold it with just the toddler seat, I'll show you guys that right now. You do have to take off the rumble seat. Turn the toddler seat around. You can either leave the canopy back. I would leave the canopy back for the folding. And then you just pull these 2 triggers right here. And it folds. Now for a more compact fold, you can just do that. The 2015 is a bit smaller, but the 2018, you get real leather. And that's the only reason why I chose the 2018, is because on Amazon they had 2 tailors left in stock, and I'm so glad I got it. I love it. You can also slide the toddler seat off just by pressing these buttons. You can slide it off for a more compact fold. And when you want the toddler seat back on, just open up the frame, wait for the click. Put your toddler seat on, either rear facing like this. I would do rear facing first since I have two little ones. And they like to be facing mommy. So the seat does go all the way back, and I'll show you that now. On the back here, it goes all the way flat. They can relax, which is like right here, or they can just sit up all the way. I try to let my babies relax a little bit. I mean, it just depends on what age your kids are, if they want to face you, or now when you get it, the seat is reclined all the way back. So or they can sit like this with their feet like this, or they can just sit all the way up like a normal kid. It just depends on what age your kids are. If they're 3, they want to see where they're going. Now if it's a mama's boy, like I got one, my boy's annoying. Rumble seat here. And then my daughter likes to be facing me, but when I got her brother in the stroller, they both have to be forward facing. And then this is probably the way I'm probably going to be using it. Now for a single, I'm going to go into the single stuff now. If you're a single parent and you have one kid, or you guys just have one child in public, and the others are with a babysitter or something. If you have an infant from birth up to a year, I would still stick with the Mesa. And it actually does not need any adapters to snap on to the frame, which is actually a plus, because I thought I would have to buy, you know, like Mesa car seat adapters. And then I kind of thought about it. I was like, wait, if it's a 2018, it doesn't need adapters. So 2015 through 2019 Uppababy Vistas do not need car seat adapters. 2014 and earlier, you have to go to uppababy.com to purchase your free adapters. This is the Taylor car seat. This is the one that I got before I got the Vista. I'm really excited about it. My daughter will be sitting in this a lot more. So there's that. You also can have your baby forward facing also if they want to see where they're going. Now once they get too big for the car seat, I think this is the original bassinet. I gotta find out which one was the original bassinet, guys, so just bear with me. I don't know what both are saying. So, like I said, snaps right on, and then you get this foot muff. This is the original one, because this one didn't have it slipped on. The foot's cut. Push these 2 buttons on the inside, the canopy goes down, and you do want to zip this on when it does get cooler. And it is kind of a pain to get it on the first time. And then you can just do that if you don't want people touching your baby, or you want your baby to have more privacy. I would probably be using it more like this for a while until my next one is due. And I love the polyurethane wheels. Like Eli said, it's definitely the best. And the whole bassinet is washable, so you can wash it. You can throw the cover in the wash. Everything is allowed to be zipped off for washing. Also, the bassinet inserts can be washed in a washing machine. So, I mean, I'm really excited to start using my Vista, and I will give you guys an update on what the pros and cons are. The only con that I have about the Uppababy Vista is when I had my pink one, the seat wouldn't go in half the time. So I really hope that this one likes me, because this is the last one I'm getting for my kids. And there is 4 different heights. See, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there are 4 different heights on the handlebar. I am somewhat short, but I do like to have my hands up here. And let's see if I can find the bug. Okay, I've never put a bug shield on, so I'm gonna try, but I have a feeling it's probably gonna fail. Okay. I don't know, I've never put a bug shield on a bassinet before, so you guys are just gonna have to give me the benefit of the doubt of trying, you know. So it does stretch over the whole bassinet, but I think I did it wrong. So I'm not really 100% sure how in the freak you put this on, but I am pretty sure. Oh, darn. Like, everybody else can do it, but I can't. Okay, let's try. Yeah, it goes something like that. I've never done it, so. There we go. There we go. I got it. So there's the bug shield. And the rain shield can be purchased separately for the Uppababy Vista bassinet. And it just comes off like so. And then just pull it up. This does have a pop-out sunshade too. It's pretty freaking amazing that I got the Taylor, the last one, because everybody has been like taunting me with it. So I'm just like, I better get it while I got it. So, you know, it's like first come, first served. Now, if you do have an off-brand car seat and you have a single kid, this will fit the frame. Let me scoot the frame back for you guys. Just make sure both ends are lined up. Okay. There we go. And then you guys get to see my fit too. It's just like snapping it into the base. So you can have an off-brand car seat. You can use the Mesa. I mean, there's a lot of stuff that you can do with the Uppababy Vista. There's a lot of different configurations you can do. Like some of them I showed you. And make sure both sides are clicked in before you take your baby out of the car. So we're probably going to be using it more with the toddler seat bassinet. But other than that, I mean, it's all ready to go, and I'll show you how to fold it too. I think you can fold it with the car seat adapter on it. Yes, you can. And then just take it off, snap these 2 buttons like the toddler seat, wiggle it off, and then it's off. So that is like, it's easy as 1, 2, 3 basically. I love it. I love the color. I'm really happy with it. So I'm gonna go out for a walk, and I'm going to tell you guys later in the video, or just later in the next few videos, on the update of my Uppababy Vista 2018. Thanks guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment what other configurations you can do with the Uppababy Vista. And you guys may comment on what kind of configurations you guys need to do, and I will show you. So you guys can request that. If you don't want to request it, that's fine. Oh, the manufacturer date is 2017. Okay. I could just register it online too. Yeah. I think I'll register both of my products online. So basically, from what I've heard, is Uppababy has really great, you know, customer service. And I'm really excited to see what kind of service they got for me. So, thank you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to leave your comments on what I forgot, my personal self, what I forgot to go over. And the basket is huge. I just wanted to tell you that. But the basket is so huge. It's just like, wow. So, it's been one hell of a ride. So it's been like through hell and back, you know. But don't forget to like and subscribe. I mean, this is definitely the best stroller you're going to get for your money. And it's worth every penny. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. See you later.